Unfortunately, I won't be eating anything today, but this is what I'm drinking. I'm trying to clear, it's got cayenne in it, so I'm trying to clear out you know, all that congestion in my throat and chest. I do have a video which I recorded like a month ago and never was able to publish it. So that's what I'm going to be showing. Hopefully the footage is still good and relevant. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me at Working Shopper. I hope you're having a good day because we are going to have some good food. If you haven't eaten yet, go grab yourself a snack and hurry right back. I know it's that time for Pink Box Donut of the Month, but the donut of the month for September is a kitchen sink donut, and to me it does not look appetizing at all. It's got everything piled on top. It's for people who like overkill, and that's not me. I like simple. I mean, you can step it up a little bit, you know, with cream and stuff, but once you start piling a bunch of toppings on something, it just gets lost. So I won't be doing donut of the month for Pink Box, but Haagen-Dazs, I don't know when it came out, Haagen-Dazs now has a caramel cone with vanilla caramel ice cream. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you the video that I was supposed to release like last month. So I have a veggie bowl here with cucumber, slaw, pinto and black beans, green onions, red onions, a dollop of guacamole, olives, cilantro, and pico. And use them for my chips. Oh, these break a lot easier than I thought. Okay, so you know what? I need a spoon. Let's see if I can do this without a spoon. That salsa hits the spot every time.
This guy's delivering pizza on a skateboard. That could be fun and dangerous at the same time. This is the peach salsa. It's a little bit sweet, but it has jalapenos in it. Alright, I'm gonna check to see. I'm gonna check to see what movies are playing. Never heard of that. Never heard of that. What? Trap might be interesting. But I hope it's not like the Saw movies, you know, because Saw is so played out. Borderlands? What is that about? Alien opened up. Oh my goodness. Fly Me to the Moon. I definitely want to see a Channing Tatum Channing movie. What's his name?
So I would give Blink Twice an 8 out of 10 for creativity and the concept. I did not expect what I saw to happen. It was good directing because you didn't know what it was leading up to. The characters were real. There's that one scene where Tatum Channing is saying, "I'm sorry," and you get a sense 100% for how twisted he is. I liked the way he played it. You thought he was completely normal, he was charming, and then you find out just how psychotic he is. When they talked about the island, like the first thing that popped into my mind was like Jeffrey Epstein. I mean, just because of you know what you hear in the media about the Epstein Island. When everyone arrived to the island, they turned in their cell phones, and then they had clothes laid out for them, so they all put on white dresses, and none of them thought about what was happening. As the movie goes on, everyone's smoking and drinking and having a great time, laughing, running around, chasing each other. They're in the pool. And then there's this one character who's a native to the island who's going around catching these yellow snakes that are venomous. This venom is important because it's going to help the main character get out of the situation that she's in. Help the main character wake up from what she is. So I would give Alien a 7 out of 10. It was suspenseful. It was surprising, and when you thought something was going to happen, it didn't. The reason I don't give it a higher score is because I don't think that you can be more creative with the same alien theme. Yeah, you can't be more creative with the alien theme. So I would give this Alien a 7. I liked how they made reference to the previous aliens. They brought back the character from the first Alien. And the AI surprised me, the AI and character in this. Because at first when they opened up and I learned that the character playing the AI, I was like, what? That doesn't make any sense. How can the AI be like that? He gets an upgrade, and that's when you get goosebumps, because he starts to take power. The goal was the same. They worked for the company, and they had a mission to bring back this species so that they can study it. Now, for some reason, human beings always want to bring something detrimental to themselves. I don't know. But, so of course, like other aliens, this crew, it's a younger cast, by the way. This crew has to learn how to fight the aliens off. AfrAID, with John Cho, about an AI program, kind of like Siri or Alexa, but that's brought into the home and takes over. To be honest, I fell asleep on that one, but it was a decent movie. It did not scare me. It did not surprise me. It was scenes that seemed to be rehashed from other movies and put together. There was nothing unique about any of the characters, really. So for that one, I give a 5 out of 10. For me, none of the characters were really interesting that I can talk about. John Cho is your typical father. His wife is your typical mother. They have typical kids. They go to school, typical kids. The problems they had were typical. So I would give that a 5. It's just average. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had something delicious to eat today as well, and that your day is going great. I hope you're staying sane among all the insanity happening around the world. I will catch you in the next video.